Welcome back to Learning Muay Thai with Kru Hemanth Kumar, a three-time World Championship bronze winner, with over 30 years of training experience. We now come to the last 3 elbows in Muay Thai. If you missed the first 9, go back and watch the previous videos, before you start this session.
Hi, I'm Kru Hemanth Kumar from Masters Muay Thai Academy, and I have with me Arshad Malik, my student, to help you learn the last 3 variations of the elbows. And I presume you have been practicing the last 9 variations as such, and the more you practice, the more you can master the elbows. Thank you. For today, we have the cross downward elbow. The cross downward elbow, I would like to first explain when it would be used, because you already are aware about the downward elbow. So let's assume I'm having to clinch. We are in a clinch position now. At this position, you can definitely use your cross downward elbow to break the hold. Now, as you see, Malik went from outside. If you do the cross down from outside, it becomes telegraphic. It becomes telegraphic and it can be stopped. So let's say now I'm being clinched now. So I move from inside and then I break the hold. You can see the arm going down. This gives leverage to continue your attack. This would be one of the uses. Let that be a clinch, a Muay Thai clinch, or let that be a street fighting. You definitely can use the cross downward from inside or from outside. Both sides you can use it, right? That helps you release from the hold, after which you can continue further with your attacks, right? That would be the cross downward elbow. Good. Now, having said that, let's look at the next one, the side and the reverse side elbow. It's a double attack. So for side and reverse side, I would dodge the opponent with a slow movement of a side elbow, and as he see the elbow coming slowly, he may tend to sway back to avoid it and again come forward. But my actual attack is to catch him when he gets back into the position. Let's see how that may happen. From the fighting stance, let's say I step in with a side elbow and you see him sway back, and as you sway back and come forward again, I would go for the finish attack. Alright, so from the fighting stance, I do a side elbow and then reverse side elbow and reverse side elbow and reverse side elbow. So it will be a double side coming in a reverse momentum. That's the side and the reverse side elbow. Good. Now let's look at the next one, the spinning rotational 45-degree elbow. This will be very useful during a clinch. If during a clinch and the opponent has been clinched, right, you can walk across, and within the clinch, the elbow can come into the 45, diagonal. Let's see in slow motion how I can do it. Step across, and this would be the diagonal 45-degree drop. You drop it diagonal this way. All right, see it again. Lead leg, step in, across. All right, this can move within the clinch range. So within the clinch range, you step across, and this rear hand can go into the cross diagonal 45 degrees. This is how you can use the spinning rotational 45-degree elbow. So this completes the 12 variation of basic Muay Thai elbows. And I really congratulate you that you come so far in this journey of learning Muay Thai. And I kindly request you to like and share all these videos and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.